Hey guys, what's up? It's Ishika. And today I took my mom's makeup kit. So I'll be using some of her makeup. So she uses some, I don't even know. But I'm going to be using this and brushes. Bag of makeup brushes. And then lipstick. Okay, so I have nothing. I have no idea what anything is. Like, absolutely nothing. So it would be pretty fun. I know like what stuff is called and like what's the difference, but I don't know what order it goes in. I don't know what this is. Wait. Okay, so let's start with this. It's not coming out. Did she use all of it? Oh, clever. I don't know which one is which. So we have to figure this out. This is on sheer white foundation. This is foundation. This is all foundation. This is contour. Ooh, which one just go first? Foundation. What am I singing? Okay, I'll try this one. This is my color. Ooh, with my brush that I use. Maybe this one. Okay, first. Where do I put it? Ooh, wait, where'd that go? Oh, I don't know where to put it. It looks like poop on my face. Oh. I don't even know where to put it, so like, whatever. Okay, now this. Watch, this is not even gonna be my skin tone, like. It looks like my skin tone, but it really doesn't. I don't know if you're supposed to do that going on my nose. Probably gonna put. I just dropped it all over my hands. Oh my god. I need a napkin. Oh my gosh. I don't think this looks good, but I don't know if you're supposed to put it on the eyes or not. Okay. Should I put on contour next? Or is it the same thing? I took her personal makeup, not her like professional makeup, because that would have been a whole lot of trouble for me. Well, I have these. I might use this one. I think I'm gonna do this. I think this is supposed to go on your face, like your whole face, not your eyes. I think I'm this one. Or do you think that would be too dark? Let's see. Ooh, way too dark. Way too dark. Oh my god. You just like rub it in till it's gone. So I don't know if you're supposed to like do your eyes first and then your eyebrows and your eyelashes, but who knows? Okay. Probably gonna use this one for this one. Who knows what color it is, but it looks like it seems to match my skin tone the best. So I'm gonna use it. Okay, I think I got it in my eye. I'm gonna use this. I don't know if this looks like blush. Or is it for your face, for like glowing and shining? Okay, so now it looks like I'm glowing. I look like the light behind me, in front of me. Ooh, I actually look pretty good. Now seeing myself in the mirror. Wow, I look so weird. But let's do this one. But should I? I guess it looks like my mom uses this one a lot. So I guess I'll use this one.
Drop it.
I think I'm gonna add some pink on here to make it look like much lighter. She like loves glitter. She's like a pinky girl. Glitter! Oh, I forgot about the foundation, how it fell on my pants. Wait, do I curl my eyes first? Ooh. Do I curl my eyes first or no? Oh my god. I got a lot of it on my nose. Should I comb them or? Oh my. Contour.
Hello, is this my child? What are you doing here? Touching my makeup? Let me see your face. And you're filming, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, well say bye to everyone. I see you're filming.
Bye guys. I don't like it, it doesn't look good.